Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you a very quick and small Amazon haul. So I just have 4 items to show you. 2 of them are bags and the remaining 2 pieces are like clothing items, and all the pieces are very festive, very glam. So if you want to know what all I got, please continue watching. I'll show you the clothing pieces first. So the first thing that I have is this golden blouse. My quest for finding a perfect golden blouse continues, and finally I found something that I'm sort of happy with. I like the material and the size is also fine. It's not too big. The material is also not too stiff. It's by the brand OM, and this one was just for rupees 499 rupees. It's in a similar design. It's a boat neck and the hooks are at the back. After my last epic fail of finding a golden blouse, I really had low hopes from this one. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out this video right here. I had bought a similar golden blouse. Design and everything was similar, but it did not fit me well. I'm happy that this one fits me fine. It's not too loose, not too tight. So this is how it looks. I have styled it with a white kasabu sari, and I'm wearing this beautiful golden choker necklace set. A golden blouse according to me is a must have. You can pair it with any sari that has golden work. So if you want to wear like your mother's sari that has a little bit of a golden border or golden embroidery, you can just have this one blouse and you will not have to buy different blouses for different saris. You just need one blouse and you'll be sorted. So this one is the first thing that I got. It's a festive must have, and if you're looking for a good golden blouse, you can definitely try this one out. The next thing that I got is the dupatta. So I got this net dupatta in a magenta color, and it has a beautiful cutwork border with these mirrors. These are not real mirrors, these are those plastic mirrors that you get, and it also has these small booties all over. So this is how it looks. Quality wise, this is not the best, I mean in terms of finishing, but it actually looks really nice. I got one in a magenta color because I think this color is very festive and it can be paired with a lot of other colors. Like magenta works really well with navy blue, and you can also pair it with maroon like I did in the video. And you can of course pair a dupatta like this with your neutral outfits. But this one was available in a bunch of different colors, so you can definitely check them out. So for the price, I think this one is not bad. I have actually styled it with a maroon lehenga skirt and a maroon velvet blouse. I bought all the pieces separately, and together I think they work really well. So you can also create your own custom lehenga set with it, and if you have dupattas in different colors, you can also pair them with your existing lehenga sets and create a different look. This one will also work really well with the suit that I'm wearing in this video. I wanted to show this to you, so I'm not wearing it. Otherwise, I would have definitely paired this kurta with this dupatta. Continuing my obsession for clutch bags, I bought 2 more. The first one is this one. It's a red color bag with beautiful beadwork and golden embroidery. The beads are like tassels hanging from the bag, and it looks so nice. The back is plain and it comes with a sling. I forgot to mention that this bag is from the brand Odette. I'm actually obsessed with this brand. I'm really happy with most of the things that I've bought from them. And if you haven't checked out my previous buys from Odette, I'll link them above. You can definitely check them out. This also has this vintage look, and like I mentioned, you can open it up from here. It also comes with a golden sling. So this is how the bag looks like. I think it looks really nice. The material on it could have been better, but the design is absolutely beautiful. So if you want, you can definitely go for it. Since the festive season is approaching, a red clutch bag is an essential, and this one is also a good size, so it will hold a lot of your essentials. So this is the third item that I bought. Moving on to the last and final item. So I saved the most beautiful piece for last. So this is another clutch bag that I bought from Odette, and just look at this one, and can we just appreciate its beauty for some time? I don't think I need to tell you anything. I am in love with this. This one is my most favorite thing that I've ever bought. It's on a white base and it has all of these hanging pearls. It has beads and rhinestones all over, and it has design on the back as well. It comes with a small strap like this, which also has pearls all over. I know these bags are quite expensive and you probably don't need them right now, but if you have like a special occasion coming up, or like I mentioned in my previous video, if you want to build your bags collection, then you can definitely go for these. These are like premium quality bags, and this one is also very heavy with all of the pearls and rhinestones. This one is so unique. This one looks luxurious. And I also wanted to review these pieces for you as they are so expensive and it does not even have too many reviews on Amazon. The red one doesn't have any review, so I just want to try them for myself and just tell you if they are actually worth it or not. Trust me, they are. This one is 100% worth it. If I was getting married, I'll definitely carry something like this on my wedding. This one just screams luxury. You can also get these pieces from the website, but the return policy of Amazon is really nice. I'd recommend that you get them from Amazon, because in case something goes wrong and if you don't like the items, they'll just pick the items up the next day and in a few hours you'll get back your money. So you can go for these without any worry. These were the 4 items that I got, and I'm really happy with everything that I bought. The festive season and also the wedding season is coming up. If you want, you can invest in these pieces and you won't be disappointed. I'll have all the product links in the description box. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll have my social media details in the description box. You can also check out other videos on my channel. I'm sure you're gonna love them. So that is it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.